Okay, this is a quick tour of how to use Shepherd software to learn the states in the fastest and most efficient way. I'm pretty sure that if you followed this method, you could learn all the states and where they are and their shapes in an hour. So here's how you start. Here's the column for states. That's what we're working on because we're learning about the Electoral College and you got to know your states. So start with the tutorial at the top. Click play and it'll load. And basically you ask questions. I wonder what this one is.
Maine,
Thank you. How about this one? That's the most beautiful and my favorite state of all.
Michigan,
You get the idea. You're clicking on these
Tennessee,
states and it tells you what they are and you're just
Missouri.
becoming familiar with them. If I want to restart, I click the X over here twice and I can start all over again. I might work my way from west to east or east to west. Probably not a bad idea. Let me go back. And I'm going to move down once I've done the tutorial to the beginner play. It's loading. Now in this one, you get to pick your regions. I want to work on the mid-Atlantic states. No, I want to work on the New England states. Okay, so it's going to tell me find Rhode Island, and I'm going to try to click on it right there. I'm going to be faster because I know this stuff. Connecticut's right there. And Massachusetts. You're just not fast enough, lady.
Maine,
Come on. Let's speed it up.
New Hampshire,
Come on. I'm a seventh grader at DeWitt Middle School. You think I'm
Vermont.
stupid? Come on. Let's speed it up. Oh, now why'd she stop on me? I don't know. But you can go to another
New York.
section. Oh, and you can learn about these. Do it again in sections. I'm going to go back. Once I've done the beginner, I've tried it a couple times. This one gets a little more interesting, the intermediate, and you have to move the shape of the state to where it belongs. So these are the New England states. They're giving you a little bit of help here. Rhode Island, little tiny Rhode Island goes right there. Try to get it kind of close. New Hampshire is right next to Vermont and Rhode Island and Maine. And I'm doing this. You get the idea, and they're going to tell you how good and smart you are. And Vermont, and they're going to give you a new region, Connecticut. And there we go. Oh, come on. That's good enough. Oh, my goodness, they're picky. Now, the cool thing is, on this one, here's Virginia. Look over on the left, and it'll tell you my error, how far away I actually was. New Jersey. Let me put New Jersey someplace where I know it isn't. Oh, and it tells me I'm 270 miles off target. So I got to move it over. And I'm there.
Great.
Okay, you get that idea. I'm going to click out of this. And we're going to go to Expert. And now they're random. They're not by region anymore. And I have to figure out where Iowa is in the middle of everywhere. Oh, I'm so far off. Goodness gracious. Okay, so you can try that, and then you go to Connecticut's right there. Those border states are easy because you just put them on the edge. Ooh, Arkansas. Oh, gosh. Help me. I think it might be right there. Oh, Mr. Prince. All right, well, I need a refresher. All right, I'm going to go back. And the last one, you can do expert, you can go to cartographer, but you get better and better at these. You don't need to know the ones with the names. You don't have to do all that. I want you to know what the names of the states are, where they are, and what their shapes are. Okay, and with that, I'm going to say, go get them, DeWitt Tigers. Learn those states.